Hello everyone, today we're here to talk about some light modifiers. So yeah, let's talk about some light modifiers. There's a lot out there on the market. If you haven't seen one of my other videos, I was using some soft boxes. Soft boxes are kind of a big unit. You put a light inside. It has a nice white filter, kind of like a screen in front of it, and that what softens the light for you. So you can use light sources. If you want that hard light from shadow to lightness to be real harsh and abrupt like they do on film noir, then you don't want to use a softbox. But if you want something with a nice fall off on the shadows, you're going to want to use a softbox. Now there is other ways to do that. If you've heard of a bounce board or a whiteboard or an umbrella, which I have over here, an umbrella, this is about the cheapest way to go. I have to say that this thing, again, it's not for the rain, but it does work really well for lighting. So basically on the back of this umbrella, you slip this through a thing here like this. I have a hot shoe mount here for some of your camera mount, and you could do flash. You can do a light system like a roto light or something that has the hot shoe mount. They have other mounts on the bottom here. It mounts on the regular light mount. It's like a pen that goes on top. We can get into that sometime later. But this would go over that pin and create a hot shoe mount, and then it gives you a hole to slide the umbrella through. So you can put your light inside here, basically mount that on the stand, and then your light is facing towards the umbrella. Now there's a couple different ways. This one's built by Wescott. Wescott actually has a outer lining here that you can put over the top of the umbrella. Basically goes over the top of this, and it screws down on top. Oops, sorry about that. So it screws down on top, and then you can bounce the light off. So you've got a little pin right up here that unscrews right here, as you can see. That unscrews, and then that black one goes over the top, and then that screws down and hooks into these little pins here. And then you can bounce the light. As you can see how it's bouncing off the umbrella right now. So you can bounce that light back. And look, I might even have a nice hair light here. So, I mean, it does help out with lighting. So as you can see, you can use that to help soften the light. So that's one portion. That's one type of modifier. Like I said, this is the cheapest way to go. I got this for like $28.95 or $29. This is Wescott again. It's a great brand, Wescott. Here's what I've got here. It's a great 43-inch collapsible white umbrella. So this works really good for, and you can get them smaller. You can get them really big. The bigger that you get these, the more softer the light becomes. And then for high-powered lights and stuff like this, really works well. So that's the modifiers for light boxes. We'll go into lighting more. I mean, there's a lot of different types of lighting. There's different colors, different temperatures of lighting. Lighting really is what it's all about in photography and videography, cinematography. So lighting your scene, getting the right lights, and then just things like that, bouncing off the board, softening the light, making it hard, whatever kind of feeling you want to give to your audience. I mean, that's the light. You want to use natural sunlight. Sometimes you have to block the natural sunlight. So that little umbrella with the black could actually help block sunlight and then bounce back on the inside some light to the person's face to give them a nice glow. So there's a lot of different ways to use umbrellas and light modifiers. There's a lot of different types. I don't have a lot of them with me. But again, if you haven't seen that video, and if you haven't subscribed, just hit the button below, please, and subscribe. Then you'll get my notifications. Hit the bell. I'll send those notifications out to you as soon as I create a video, so you can learn some of these things. Again, this is budget filmmaking. This is for the filmmaker that doesn't want to spend a lot of money. Of course, you have to spend a little bit of money, but it's not going to be thousands and thousands of dollars like some of the big filmmakers. You can get away with a Canon 5D Mark II, which I still have in my bag. I still have the Canon 5D Mark II. So, I mean, there's a lot of things you can get away with. You can buy old equipment. We might even do some videos on buying old equipment. What is good to buy, what is not. If you want to start out as a filmmaker, right now, 5D Mark II, go out there and buy one for $500. If you want to buy mine, $600. I mean, I might deal down to $500, but if you are interested in the 5D Mark II, let me know. So anyways, yeah, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you will, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.